Te Pūrehurua stretches across the vastness of space, points of light so distant yet connected in familiar patterns. At Massey, it symbolises the concept that learning is a lifelong journey of infinite possibility. From Te Kuninga, or the inception, the origin, we are always pursuing knowledge, growing and evolving. The name Te Kuninga ki Pūrehurua was gifted to Massey University, recognising the student journey from inception to infinity and Massey's goal of providing learning without limits. It also recognises our connections because no matter where we study from, we are united under the same stars. It emphasises Massey's long-standing commitment to Te Ao Māori and dedication to Māori perspectives of knowledge and learning. Across our campuses, across Aotearoa, across the world, Massey University is Te Kuninga ki Pūrehurua.